Hello, this is Meister X, and I'm going to go over the Level 1 Academic Word of the Day, infer, for Week 7, Quarter 4. Let's take a look at your flashcard. Infer has 2 syllables, and the emphasis or stress is on the second syllable. Infer. Infer. It is only a verb. We have 2 definitions. Let's take a look at the first one. The first definition is to reach an opinion or decide that something is true on the basis of information that is available. So what do you need in order to infer? You need information that is available. Okay, once you have that information, then you can reach an opinion about it or decide that something is true because of it. Let's take a look at your academic word of the day sentence for an example. Here we have a young man. He's reading diligently, okay? And we can say, good readers will infer or read between the lines to make conclusions about characters. So the information that this reader is gathering is from the text. And based on that information, he is able to decide if something is true or make an opinion. That's called reading between the lines. It's one of our grade 8 reading strategies. The second definition is to suggest indirectly that something is true. To suggest indirectly that something is true. So the first one is you're making an opinion or saying something is true based on things that are available. The second one is where you already think it's true, but you're just saying it not directly. Maybe it's easier with an example. Let's take a look. Did the boss infer that I was always tardy when he said that he was surprised to see me on time? So what did the boss say? The boss said, "Wow, I'm surprised to see you here on time." And by saying it like that, maybe that boss is really suggesting that the employee is always tardy, but in an indirect way. The boss is not directly saying, "Wow, you're always tardy, and so when you're on time, it surprises me." He just says, "I'm surprised to see you on time," and that's enough to suggest that the employee is always tardy. And that's an example of the second definition. The thing that is being suggested, or the opinion or statement that something is true, we call that the inference. The inference. And then we have our 2 participle forms, the adjective forms, inferring. So you can say the boss was inferring. And we also have inferred. Inferred. We have one synonym for you, which is deduce. Deduce. And that is your academic word of the day. What you need to do is write an original sentence using infer as a verb if you got this one wrong on your reassessment. Write your sentence about yourself on a new flashcard and include an illustration. Happy study.